Hi, I'm so excited to share with you the Ashland plan. This is one of the amazing floor plans that Canaan Builders is building out here at Staghorn. Staghorn is a great new development that is just between Murfreesboro and Shelbyville, and you're really gonna love this house. It's just over 2,000 square feet, 2 bedrooms downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs with tons of features that you're really gonna like. So have a look, let me know what you think. That was the Ashland plan from Canaan Builders out here at Staghorn. If you'd love to tour this home or one of the other floor plans that we have out here at Staghorn, hit us up at the number below. We'd love to hear from you.